Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable dishwashers, the AooDen Portable Dishwasher and the Midea MDC22P1ABB. In this video, we'll take a closer look at their features, specifications, and performance to help you make an informed decision. The AooDen is designed for compact living spaces with a built-in water tank, while the Midea offers more washing programs and energy efficiency. Let's find out which one comes out on top. When it comes to capacity, the AooDen features a 5-liter built-in water tank, making it ideal for portability and easy setup. In contrast, the Midea can accommodate up to 6 place settings, offering more space for your dishes. This difference is crucial for users with varying needs, especially in small kitchens or RVs. The AooDen provides 5 washing programs, including a unique fruit washing mode, which adds versatility to its functionality. On the other hand, the Midea boasts 8 washing programs, including specialized settings like baby care and eco modes, catering to a wider range of cleaning needs. This makes the Midea a more flexible option for different dishwashing scenarios. Energy efficiency is another important factor to consider. The Midea is ENERGY STAR certified, which means it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines, potentially saving you money on your utility bills. In contrast, the AooDen does not have an energy efficiency rating, which could be a drawback for environmentally conscious consumers. In conclusion, both the AooDen and Midea portable dishwashers have their strengths. The AooDen is great for those seeking portability with its built-in water tank, while the Midea offers more washing options and energy efficiency. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe